It was the kind of night where even the stars were too heartbroken to shine. We didn't say much, 'cause we both knew what goodbye really meant. And sometimes, love ends where silence begins.
No lantern lit the gravel road, just your suitcase and the dark. You turned to speak, but held it back, and I felt my chest go stark. Your eyes said more than words could bear. A trembling breath, a longing stare. I tried to smile, but it just broke like every dream we used to weave. You wore the shirt I always loved, and I wore pain upon my sleeve. No promises, no last embrace, just when that breath crushed across my face. Farewell on a moonless night, no stars to guide our parting light. No whispers left, no hold me tight, just footsteps fading out of sight. Farewell, my love, though it ain't right, we walked away. We walked away on a moonless night. Funny how quiet goodbye can be. Not a slammed door, not even a tear, just the sound of gravel under boots and the echo of what we used to be. I watched you vanish down the bend like dust that won't come back again. You didn't cry and neither did I, but Lord knows, no, we both felt the end. I kept the locket that you gave, pressed it close, then walked away.
Love is fire, ours burns slow, even embers fade someday.
Farewell on a moonless night, no sweet I love you, no more fight. There in the sun, no homies tight, just footsteps fading on his heart. Farewell,
Well, in it I wrote you in,
on a moonless night. We didn't shout, we didn't beg, just turned away. With you a love don't always break like thunder. Sometimes it slips quiet, like wonder. Farewell on a moonless night.